Welcome back, gardeners. In today's video, we're focusing on when and how to harvest cucumbers. Whether you're growing cucumbers for fresh eating or pickling, knowing the right time to pick them ensures the best flavor and texture. We'll also show you how to harvest gently to avoid damaging the vine. Cucumbers are ready for harvest depending on their variety and how you plan to use them. For fresh eating, cucumbers like English or Market More are best harvested when they're about 6 to 8 inches long and still firm. Pickling cucumbers, such as Boston pickling, should be harvested when they're smaller, around 3 to 4 inches long. Overripe cucumbers can become bitter and develop tough skins, so check your plants regularly. When harvesting cucumbers, handle the plants gently to avoid damaging the vines. Use garden shears or scissors to cut the stem just above the fruit, or twist the cucumber off the vine with a gentle pull. Be careful not to tug too hard, as this can damage the plant and affect future growth. To keep your cucumber plants productive, harvest regularly. Picking cucumbers frequently encourages the plant to produce more fruit throughout the season. Avoid leaving overripe cucumbers on the vine, as this can slow down production and affect the quality of new fruit. By harvesting your cucumbers at the right time and using gentle techniques, you'll enjoy a continuous supply of fresh, delicious cucumbers all season long. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more advice. Happy harvesting!